Hisense 100U65QF review. The 100-inch mini LED beast that might replace your local cinema. Ever sat down for movie night, hyped for the big game or latest binge, only to watch your so-called smart TV choke? Dim, washed-out colors. Lag so bad you can count the frames. Menu freezes that kill the mood. You end up squinting at the screen, muttering, "Why did I even bother?" while the popcorn gets cold. Deadlines. Blown. Game nights. Ruined. Stress level? Somewhere between volcano and Twitter argument. Your gears fighting you instead of working for you. That old TV is the anchor dragging your entertainment dreams to the bottom. You're missing out on epic moments, wasting hours fiddling with settings, and wondering if immersive is just a marketing fairy tale. Enter the Hisense 100-inch U6 Series Mini LED 4K Fire TV 100U65QF 2025 model. Your instant wow button. Imagine 100 inches of QLED brilliance, powered by up to 600 local dimming zones and 1000 nit peak brightness. The HiView AI engine sharpens every detail with AI 4K upscaling, AI smooth motion, and AI sports mode. Gamers. You get native 144Hz Game Mode Pro with VRR, ALLM, and Dolby Vision Gaming, aka lag-free glory. Movies explode with color thanks to Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, and over 1 billion QLED shades. I once watched a playoff final in broad daylight, sun pouring in, and still saw every bead of sweat on the players. Fire TV OS with Alexa, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6, HDMI 2.1. It's the kind of upgrade that makes your old setup feel like a flip phone. Reviewers call it OLED rivaling color and motion clarity that embarrasses most LCDs. Sports tech influencers swear it makes every game feel live. One gamer said, "Call of Duty at 144 Hz on this? Unreal. Zero tearing, zero lag." Home theater fans rave about ditching their projectors. No more darkroom, only viewing. Even the built-in 50-watt Dolby Atmos setup surprised a movie buff enough to delay buying a soundbar. This isn't just a bigger TV, it's a full sensory takeover. Blacks sink deep, highlights sparkle, motion flows like liquid. And those quantum dot colors? Every jersey, sunset, and explosion looks like it's happening in your living room. You could read specs all day, 144 Hz panel, AI picture processing, Dolby Vision IQ, Fire TV integration, but nothing beats seeing it. The real shock? This 100-inch monster comes in at a price that makes premium brands sweat. Why are so many upgrading? Simple. Once you see it, there's no going back. This beast doesn't sit on shelves for long. The Hisense 100U65QF is flying out the door to gamers, sports fans, and home theater diehards. Don't wait for your next "Why is my TV like this?" meltdown. Secure yours now. Join the thousands already leveling up their living rooms. Limited supply, unlimited wow factor. Act today, own your moments, and make your home the place everyone wants to watch from.